Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to News Now, and today we are talking about Microsoft Office.
Sometimes in the face of insurmountable odds, unlikely heroes are born. As precious seconds ticked away, you took an impossible amount of data and turned it into something impossibly good. You have the new Microsoft Office system. Victory is yours.
So I'm sure a lot of you are very familiar with this. This is basically a cloud-based subscription service suite that offers several documents for creating and sharing documents and projects for use at home and for business. Since then, Microsoft Office has become the industry standard for word processing and presentation. It's especially gained traction in businesses where everyone can create and share documents to each other instantly. It is used by well over 1 billion people in the world. And in this video, I'm going to be discussing each service included in the Office suite and whether the subscription service is worth it or not. There are two variants of the service, one for home and one for office use. So the one for home use, let's talk about that. There are actually 3 sub-plans in the home use plan. There's Office 365 Home, there's Office 365 Personal, and Office Home and Student 2017 for PC, which is a one-time purchase. So let's start with Office 365 Home. So basically it includes Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft OneNote, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Skype, Microsoft Publisher, and Microsoft Access for PCs only. That's a lot of Microsoft. So basically this has all the essential applications plus a few other additional services. Office 365 Home is ideal for you if you have a family at home, as it includes applications for up to 5 users. And Office 365 Personal includes the same applications and services as Office 365 Home, but only supports 1 user. So if you're working by yourself and really don't need those others to use Office, Office 365 Personal is best for you because it's cheaper than Office 365 Home. Finally, we have Office Home and Student 2017 for PC, which includes Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft OneNote. So because this is a one-time purchase, Microsoft Office Home and Student doesn't offer the same wide range of applications and services offered on the other plans. However, if you are a student on a budget, and you just need the minimalist apps for everyday use, such as documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and files, Office Home and Student will work just fine for you. However, do know that Office Home and Student 2017 does not include Skype in the plan. Now let's talk about the Office use. So on the business side, Microsoft also has you really well covered. There are 3 sub-plans. First is called Office 365 Business, which is $825 a month. You also have Office 365 Premium, which is $1250 a month, and you have Office 365 Business Essentials, which is $5 a month. So let's start with Office 365 Business, which includes Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, OneDrive, and Microsoft Access for PCs only. In my personal opinion, Office 365 Business is hard to justify. I mean, it's up to $120 a year per user, which is quite expensive, and Skype isn't even included in that. Just the basic Office applications you need for business. So there's also the lack of business class email support. Yet for a small business, this still may be useful, but in my opinion, it's still very hard to justify purchasing Office 365 Business. Now, Office 365 Business Premium includes everything that was also included in Microsoft's Office 365 Business, plus Microsoft Exchange, SharePoint, Skype for Business, Teams, and Yammer. So this is the most popular Office package for business. Any company should get Office 365 Business Premium if they want everything that Microsoft has to offer. And at only up to $180 a year per user, this is a really generous offer. Finally, you have Office 365 Business. So because this is the cheapest out of the 3, it just includes your essentials like Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft SharePoint, OneDrive, Skype for Business, Teams, and Yammer. So this is only for businesses that don't need the Office applications like Word and PowerPoint, which is weird, but some businesses do not need those applications. All business essentials offered are the business class email and business services, not any document creation applications. You can check out more details that I don't have time to mention in this video by clicking the link in the description below. I'll label all of them so you know which one to click. So what's the final conclusion? Well, is Microsoft Office 365 worth it in 2018? This is a difficult question because although Microsoft offers a wide, generous range of applications and services for a generous price, Google offers free cloud storage and file sharing, and Apple offers their own suite of creative applications for free if you buy a Mac. Overall, I believe Microsoft Office is only worth it for businesses, and that for only businesses they should purchase the Office 365 Business Premium plan. Because for an average consumer, student, or small business, paying a monthly or yearly fee just simply isn't worth it. When you can simply have a Google account and create documents and store files in the cloud for free. For more budget-oriented consumers, Google Drive is probably the better option. However, if you're convinced to go purchase Office, I am leaving a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and click that link if you want to check out Office. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I also made a video about Microsoft's Skype application, and you can check that out by clicking this card right here. If you're interested in Google products, I made a whole playlist of all my Google reviews, and subscribe by clicking this box right here. Then my second channel, Apple Tech Talk. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching once again. I hope to have more videos out for you in the near future. And as always, I think I hear it, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.